Hey everyone, welcome to LPW Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to train and test the YOLOv11 model for detecting hard hats. The first thing we need is an annotated dataset, so let's get the dataset first. For this project, I'm getting the hard hat dataset from the Roboflow website. Click on download this project, then choose YOLOv11. Make sure the show download code radio button is enabled. Then click continue and copy the code snippet. I have added the dataset link in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Next, let's train the model. Open your browser and search for Google Colab. Click on the first link. Once inside Colab, upload the notebook. The notebook will be provided in the GitHub repository. First connect to the GPU. Then run the first shell to install the necessary libraries. In the next shell, run the code to download the dataset. Once downloaded, locate the dataset and edit the data.yaml file by providing the correct path, then save it. Next, run the cell to start training the model. I'm training it for 7 epochs, but I will skip showing the full training process as it takes time. After training, run the next cell to list the files inside the train folder. Next, run the cell to generate the confusion matrix. In running the following cell, you will get the training loss and validation loss. Then running the next cell will display the validation batch predict image file. Finally, in the second last cell, we will test the model. Once the test is complete, we move to the final cell, where the test image will be displayed, showing the detection results. So that's for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more project ideas and tutorials.